good to see you. It's the beginning of September and I thought it was a good time to change my wreath. Here's the thing. At first I thought Bob was excited about it being wreath day until it was my turn to have the wreath. He was not happy with me at all. He was kind of pissed. Bob wants love 100% of the time. So I thought maybe it's only 99% because that other 1% is for wreath sitting. Anyway, I felt this was a rare find for autumn wreaths because it had red flowers on it. Everything is so orange and yellow and brown, and I didn't want that because look at my walls. That's the color. That would look yucky. It'd be monotone. I don't want that. So when I saw this wreath, I grabbed it immediately, and I'm so happy I did. What do you think? So I've been giving a lot of thought to what I'm going to do with my garden next year, how I'm going to rearrange things. I'm going to try to stay out of the shadows here. It's going to be hard though. It's a Saturday morning and the sun is high, but we could see the obvious things that need adjusting here. The purple hearts and the black-eyed Susans. The black-eyed Susans are perfect where they are, but obviously the symmetry and the lack of anything in the center here is an obvious eyesore. So I need to get another black-eyed Susan in there, and I will have those red hot poker plants, that will be blooming in front of them a couple months sooner than that. I want to get another one of these red ombres and plant it on this end over here. I remember when I first started my garden last year, I had found that at Walmart. But I don't think that's going to be a hard color to match because I do see a lot of those varieties when I'm at like Lowe's and Home Depot, The other one is the purple hearts. Now, this is the first time that I've ever in my life planted these things, and so I had no idea what to expect. And I'm real pleased with how they've grown so far. But the problem is not knowing any better, is they're overtaking the lavender there. What I'm going to do is flip-flop their positioning here. So I'm going to line up all the lavender along the front here like a little hedge and put the purple hearts behind them, because that'll be a nice breakup anyway. We'll have the yellow with the purple with the green in the front, and I think it might be a nicer blend. It'll be, anyway, that's one of the ideas that I'm thinking about, and right now it's the best one that I have. I do have those irises that are tucked back here. I got about 3 more to plant, so I don't know how far. They may be about 2/3 of the way around here. If they grow next year, that's going to be really cool to see how they look. But anyway, those are my big considerations for next year. I'm just waiting for the weather now. I want a cooler day. I need most of the foliage to be, dyed back, and I need rain. So, and then I have this little spot here to figure out what I'm going to do with, but that might end up resolving itself when I rotate or swap these guys around. So, anyway, thank you guys. Enjoyed you hanging out with me today. Have a good one. See you in the next one. Toodles.